I tested it in Germany, Austria, France, and Spain, and the connection worked perfectly, except in sparsely populated areas, making it a very worthwhile choice. It works well and easy to install. Easy to install, good internet for an affordable price. It's very convenient to use, and the network connection has been quite smooth. There haven't been any problems. I traveled to several European countries and was able to use it without any issues. Activation was easy, and I'd definitely use it again. Very good quality. My QR code wasn't working at first, the customer service changed another one for me. Thank you. Absolutely worth it. No need to worry about finding a SIM card upon arrival. Super convenient. This eSIM is perfect for family travel. We had stable internet access for everyone, which was essential for keeping the kids entertained and for navigation. I was impressed by how affordable the eSIM plan was compared to roaming charges. Traveling Europe with this eSIM was a breeze. The connection stayed strong in places like Amsterdam and Barcelona, and the data speeds were impressive. It's a must-have for exploring the continent without connectivity worries. This eSIM made my Europe trip amazing. From Paris to Rome, I had reliable 4G coverage across multiple countries. Activation was simple, and it saved me from pricey roaming fees, perfect for a multi-city journey. Reliable and efficient. eSIM works great, and I love that I can have both personal and work numbers. It worked perfectly in Croatia and Slovenia, but not in Montenegro. Great coverage and fast internet speed. Highly recommend it for travelers. Switching networks with my eSIM was super fast, and I always had a great connection no matter where I was. Using this eSIM for internet access was completely smooth with no lag or buffering. I could browse the web, watch videos, and enjoy a high-speed internet experience. I'm extremely satisfied with this eSIM experience and highly recommend it to everyone.